Great Spotted Woodpecker is about the size of a blackbird, with a wingspan of 34 to 39 centimetres. It has black and white plumage with a red patch on the belly, and the young and the male birds also have red on their neck or head. They eat insects, seeds and nuts, and will live in all types of woodland. Nests are made in holes excavated in living or dead trees. There are around 140,000 breeding pairs in the UK. They lay clutches of 4 to 6 white eggs, and both parents will be involved in rearing the young. The eggs are incubated by both parents during the day, and the males at night for 10 to 12 days prior to hatching. The young birds fledge in 20 to 23 days. Although both sexes drum, the male does it more frequently, at a rate of about 10 to 16 strikes per second. These birds have several adaptations for its lifestyle of climbing trees. They have a zygodactyl arrangement of the foot, with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backwards. They also have stiff tail feathers to prop it up against tree trunks. The skull, mandible and muscles work together to absorb forces when drumming. Great spotted woodpeckers have an average lifespan of about 2 years, although the oldest recorded one was 11 years old. This species has been increasing in numbers in the UK since the 1970s. As well as their usual diet, they may sometimes be found eating peanuts and fat balls from garden bird feeders.